Hello, welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, importing and exporting comments from Word files. To import comments from Word file, right-click, Import with Options, select the file, select Change Filter and Configuration, click Advanced, and then either import comments to be translated or import them as memoQ comments. Eventually, then also you can save this configuration. Click on OK. Then we can open the document, we can see the comment. We can then also translate this document, add another comment, right-click, comment. And then to export comments, we can use the options and then miscellaneous, and then import and export, and then pick what kind of comments do you want to export. Click apply. And then you can export a document. And here is our comment. Thank you very much. Take care.